me I wonder if something do me, dog. Me not sure. Me need answers. Me honestly confused. Me don't want to feel like another joke thing. Me want to tell me if me wrong, if something do me, dog. You understand what I say? Me just want, cause sometimes when you alone are thinking in your head, you just talk to yourself. Like, you're not always right. You understand? Some people like me don't want to be self-centered. You understand what I say? Me don't want to feel like I don't even know how to put the words. Me don't want to feel like I'm me alone face and I force my belief on people. You understand what I say? But me find all right. Jigga, I want to pay a phone, Jigga. Like understand me. Me not knock people who want eat crutches or a girl who want suck lick. That a fear thing. But when a nigga go act straight up like him not eat crutches, but then multiple video on your story and on your page of a man eating a girl. Oh, me not understand that. Want to tell me if the vibe where me I feel, me not feel like say, Footah I when I eat crutches, fear, post up be a thing with man I eat crutches. Me just not feel so. Well, I'm black that person. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hold on, them a black that page. Hold on. Me feel say, any man, you see, I promote them thing that he might do it. I just some feel. Alright, time for you to get black. Very good. I'm glad you comment back a while ago. Mm-hmm. Remember, me and dancing rebel not have nothing. So you can't build a page, no fake page, and write her name up there, or fan page. For me, this the girl, and then me and her got a problem when me and her not a problem. Me and dancing rebel good. Everything. See, me talk about bigger issues like issues where affect the world. Now, females, me don't want to feel like me a bash the females. Me just have my concern. See? Me just have questions for the females. See? Why me stop black and ignore them? Me don't need them over here. Then if you feel so Footah figure suck your mother, you don't need to watch Footah live. If you feel like Footah a batty man, where you watch me live for, that means you're a batty fan. See me? So if you call me batty man, you're black. Tell me something, mother, you're black. Me don't need them over here. Me don't care about numbers. So what you tell me about ignore them, no black? Me can't ignore them. Me can't ignore them. Because them are diss me. So how me can do it now? Me block them. So me not see them. That make more sense to me. Okay. I don't understand how a female says she's straight, consider herself to be strictly dickly. But every time me see her in a party, a girl a wine pan her, a rub her down, a squeeze up her breast, a grab up her body jaw, them a long out tongue off of one another. Sometimes the tongue not touch, but them still dep on a long out them tongue. Me not get it. Like, how that work? And then me I go say, you're a lesbian? No, what you do? Then me see her portray lesbian behavior publicly and you promote lesbian behavior. So me want to know, because Me not tell you say you can't be lesbian. But me no want follow your page if you're a lesbian. If you are promoting and girl and suck out tongue and them, so me no want follow you. You understand what I mean? So I just ask for my own benefit. You understand what I say? Them favorite excuse is the man them a pervert. So them rather wine pan a woman than with a man. Like, are you serious? Are you serious? Like, what you mean? You better you dance by yourself. Since you don't want a man be perverted, dance by yourself. Yeah. She never knows, so she sent a request and joke. Mama, a request you said a while ago, you know. Slimmatic. See how it is. So your name Slimmatic or you not slim?
Not so.
Wagwan.
Nothing.
And somebody page you use.
No, my page.
So why your name Slimmatic and you not slim? Let me see if you're slim. Let me see if you're slim.
You don't know me.
No, I don't remember. Tell me.
I'm Maya's dad.
You lie.
Yes.
Oh, you get so big.
No.
Where your mother there?
Today home.
Oh, so you have a piece now?
No, my dad work.
For work?
Yeah.
You just born a day, little girl? You how much now?
You're 19.
People, me know that little girl before she. I saw me all. Come, me know you before you. Big up yourself, man. Yeah. And take care of yourself. Bless up your mother for me, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. And me grow that little girl, you know. Me know her before she born. Me know when her mother meet her father. 19? Bumbo clot. I mean, me look good for me age then, man. Come me still look like 19. Anyway, that's what me I say. Me don't know if I'm me alone them thing they bother. But my girl, oh you straight and I make out with girl in a dance. Or a woman feel comfortable with a girl a squeeze up her front or a squeeze up her body jaw. And then she gonna say, I just fun them I have. Let me ask you now. So if you see a man and him virgin and wine pan one another and slap one another ass and in a camera, you gonna say I fun them I have them not gay, them straight. And that I wanna know. No, me just a ask question in that. Me just a ask question. Just Tony, I am not warring with the people then. I am asking questions. So when you say, yo, leave the people and you're so illiterate, you're so dunce. You understand? Because me not quarrel with them can be lesbian if they want, they can do anything they want. But me just a ask sensible question. You understand what I say? Me just want answers to them. Me not try fight nobody and what them want to do. But me a ask for understanding. Hello? Hold on, me not hear you. Turn up your phone. Wait, mama, me not hear you. Hold on, don't hang up. Now? So why me not hear you? Me not hear you. You not hear her? It's gone. No, me never see a comment before, just Tony.